this is Jen from Newton's Nook Designs, and today I'm going to walk you through some of our brand new products. This month we had a mini release that featured dogs and cats. So we have 2 die sets and 2 paper pads with the dog and cat theme. So first was the cat silhouettes, and on this one you get 5 different cat silhouettes, and it's just a cute little kitty in different positions, perfectly sized for adding to your cards. And then for the dog version, you also get 5 dogs. And these are different breeds of dogs. We have a Labrador, a Golden Retriever, a Dachshund, and a couple little smaller terrier type dogs. So perfect for having a nice variety of dogs to add to your projects. Then for the paper pads, each pad is 24 sheets, so you get 24 sheets. There's 12 designs and they're double-sided, so there's actually 24 designs as well. And a lot of these actually coordinate or are similar to stamps that we already have in our collection. So the boxes in this one are similar to Newton Loves Boxes, so you could coordinate it with that if you have that in your collection already. We've got some cute little speech bubbles with meows and purrs on them, some kitty faces, cats on scratching posts. Now that one is similar to our Welcome New Cat stamp set. Some plaid, some kitties with balls of yarn, and that's similar to our Newton Unwinds stamp set. Meows and purrs, kitties and cat beds, kitties with little flowers, paw prints. This one is similar to the image from Newton's Nap Time, where he's on a big stack of blankets. Very cute. And some fish. We're back to the beginning. And don't forget they're double-sided, so make sure you check the back for more patterns. On the backs I tend to put the simpler patterns, but we've got little mice, paw prints, some more silhouettes, stripes, and polka dots. Things that work perfectly together. So that's the cat one. And then the dog one is similar. You get 24 sheets of 12 double-sided designs, and these ones have the dog theme. So some of these again are similar to other dog sets we have in our collection. We've got a corgi here, some speech bubbles with dog things on them, a pug, dachshunds. We have a couple different doxy sets in our collection, so if you like doxies, make sure to check those out. Plaids, barks and wolves, dogs and houses. This is similar to our Welcome New Dog. A Dalmatian with a fire hydrant, some paw prints, and dogs and dog beds and paw prints. And again, make sure you look the other side because there's some fun stuff there too. Some food dishes, some tennis balls, stripes, paw prints, silhouettes, dog bones, all kinds of fun stuff. So those are our 4 new products, and let me show you next a few projects I created with them. So we'll start with the cat. For the cats, I did this cute card that says "Live Life in the Meow." And to make this, I cut out this lime green frame with our frames and flags, and then I cut 3 squares that fit inside it, leaving just a little border between them. And this is again the kitty with the scratching post, the words with the meows and purrs and the thought bubbles, and the paw prints. And then the sentiment "Live Life in the Meow" is from our Catitude stamp set. And then I stamped that onto a circle that was cut out using our circle frames. So a really quick and simple card, lots of fun color, really easy to make. Featuring the silhouettes, I created this thank you card. It says "Thank Mew." The "Thank Mew" is from our heartfelt meows. That's one of the words you get with the big heart image on that one. And then I just cut the kitties out in different colors and put them in rows. So super simple. So all you needed for this one was the cat silhouettes die set and a sentiment. This one's from Heartfelt Meows. And then I have one more card with the kitties where I combined the paper and the cats together. So here I used again the paw prints and a plaid from the paper pad. Again, that's a Cat's Life paper pad. And then I just put a piece of ribbon in between to kind of separate the two patterns. I cut out a square using our frame squared die set. And then the two kitties from the new cat silhouette stamp set. Oh, it's cat silhouette die set, excuse me. And then the sentiment, have a perfect day, is again from our Catitude stamp set. So really, again, a really quick and easy card, super simple to make. These new products are making really simple, quick cards easy. Okay, for the dogs, I again made one where I cut out a bunch of dogs in different colors this time. And I just arranged them on this vanilla piece of paper, and I framed it again with the edge from the Frames and Flags, that scalloped border. And then the sentiment, Tail Wags to You, is from our Heartfelt Wolf stamp set, and that's just on the banner. The banner is also part of the Frames and Flags die. So really simple, cute card using all the different dogs. And then for the paper, I created this fun square card that says Your Pawsome. And the Your Pawsome is again from the Heartfelt Wolves stamp set. And I stamped this one onto a banner from using our banner trio die set. And again, these squares are from our Frame Squared die set. And then I just cut circles, kind of measured to make sure they were centered both directions, and then I cut 4 circles out of this scalloped square, and then I went through the paper pad and found some cute little pups that would fit in those circles, and I put them behind. So it's just a fun little way to create like little cameos of the puppies in this, in the little circles, and that's just a fun card. And again, this background paper is also from the A Dog's Life paper pad. So there's just a few things that you can do with it, but there's so many options. You could even use these dogs and cats on scrapbook pages or anything like that. So make sure you check out our shop. You'll want to check out the cat silhouettes and dog silhouettes. And again, the papers are A Dog's Life and A Cat's Life. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this.